Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today I just want to talk to you about Amazon Prime Days, right? So I'm going to take advantage and show you like 5 different things that I believe you should have in your detailing setup so that you can kind of elevate your detail game, right? Kind of brings you to the next level. I'm talking like a foam cannon, some products and stuff like that, odds and ends. So let's get right to it. Let's create the 5 top list and share it with you so you could take advantage of those big Amazon deals over the next 4 days. This is Talking with Cars. So the first item that I want to bring up is the wheel and tire cleaner from Adams. Adams has got a big, huge deal going on with all their products, right? So it's big time Amazon specials for them. They got extremely discounted stuff on their website. And I'll put a link for their entire store down below, and you can kind of like scan through their stuff and kind of figure out what you want to get. But the one thing I wanted to point out is their wheel and tire cleaner. Everyone kind of like talks about it. It is pretty strong. What I would do is mix it 1-to-1 or maybe 3-to-1 or something like that. So, you know, you can still get the effectiveness of the wheel and tire cleaner, but not have to like just destroy your tires. So I think the wheel and tire cleaner, 128 ounces for $29.99. It's normally $49.99. It's in stock. Go ahead, click on it, order it. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed. So my first item for the car would be the wheel and tire cleaner from Adams. The next item I would pick would probably be a foam cannon. So if you don't want to spend 50 bucks and ask me for a Talking with Cars foam cannon, there's plenty of foam cannons out there that could definitely help you out. One of the biggest videos that I created was, can I get an $18 or cheap sub $20 foam cannon to work just as good as an MJJC? And I proved it with a couple minor modifications you can. And I'm gonna stick with this one. It's $18.69 right now. It's normally $21.99. And for $18.69, you can get the Sooprinse foam cannon. And all you have to do is just modify the filter media that's in it with the 3-piece filter, and then change out the draw tube with a flexible one with a stainless steel ball in it. If you don't want to go through that trouble, there are other foam cannons like the Raincovo foam cannon that Keeve always talks about, and then there's a one that's kind of like almost a mimic of it. It looks just like it. It's basically the identical version of it, made probably by the same manufacturer. And I'll put the link for both of those down below, and you can't go wrong. You basically just open up the box, unload it, and then just use it, and you'll be just fine. So there's a few other ones out there, but those are the ones I wanted to highlight in terms of foam cannons. Now, if you have some parts like the foam cannon and the gun and the hose and all that kind of stuff, and you really want to kind of elevate your game a little bit in terms of a pressure washer, I would go with the electric pressure washer by Cat. It's the Cat 1800 PSI. It's about 1.8 gallons a minute, like a little bit less than that in terms of like how much flow you're going to get. And I think it's just perfect in terms of, you know, if you're a mobile detailer, if you're a home detailer, DIYer, you know, even a professional for that matter, this is a great little option that you can use. And it's basically a small, efficient pressure washer that works with a lot of different items. All you have to do is kind of upgrade the hose, upgrade the gun, and just do your typical upgrades, you know, to your electric pressure washer to kind of elevate your game. But I would consider the Cat 1800 PSI. The one that I've had has been like true. It's never broken down. I know a couple other people that have been using it, like Detail It, and he's never had any problems. He's had multiple problems with other pressure washers, and that one's always stayed true and actually worked consistently. So I would recommend the Cat 1800. It's selling for $260.99. It's 10% off at the moment. It's really not a Prime deal or an Amazon deal for Prime Days, but you can definitely take advantage of the 10% sale that they have going on right now. In terms of soaps, I am a little bit biased. You know, I would say go ahead and get the High Luster Blue Crush. You can get it in gallon format, and it's only $39.99 for a gallon of it. It works really well. We are working on a version 2 at the moment, but this works well if you have deionized water or softened water. It's perfectly fine for most people, 90% of the population. There is also that 10% that have high TDS levels or very hard water, and we're working on something for you guys. But I would definitely recommend Blue Crush. It's an excellent soap. It smells like blueberries. It cleans very well. It's slick to the touch. It doesn't hurt any coatings, and a few of my friends have been reviewing it and with a lot of success. So I would definitely go ahead and start ordering some Blue Crush. You know, get it in the gallon format at $39.99. You can't go wrong. Amazon also has a sale on the Ego blowers. I would definitely recommend an Ego blower after you know, clean your car, polish it, and ceramic coat it. You're gonna want something that can kind of like eliminate the need for even like a drying towel. You know, you could basically just blow off your car with a 650 CFM Ego blower with the charger and the battery. It's only $199. It's 35% off. I mean, I might actually get another one. $199.99 for a 650 CFM 5 amp hour battery and a charger. Cannot go wrong with that deal. Order yours today if you don't have one. The next item I'm going to recommend is not even car related, but it's a charger. It's from the company Anker, and it's a prime charger, 160 watt, 3-port compact USB-C charger, wall charger. It's got an LCD screen on it. It gives you all the information you need when you're charging your items. It's 140 watt max for any single port. And it basically has 3 USB-C charge ports, and you can charge up laptops and, you know, all that kind of stuff, you know, from this one little charger. So that's how powerful this thing is. And it's on sale for $99.99. It's 33% off. This thing normally goes for $150. So I definitely recommend getting this thing. You can charge your iPhone, you could charge your Samsung, you could charge any device, you know, even a computer for that matter. So it's definitely a cool little device. So I would highly recommend getting that today or before Amazon Prime Days ends. And I know another company that's taking advantage of the Amazon Prime Days is the Rag Company. They have a whole bunch of different things that are on sale. So again, I'll put the link down below and you can go ahead and, you know, kind of browse around and check out what the deals are. I know the one thing that kind of stood out to me were their 365 microfiber towels. There's a 10-pack and it's only selling for $21.20. For a 10-pack, it is in stock, so you can go ahead and order yours today. It comes in multiple colors, blue, gold, and minor, and orange. So there's a couple different options, and they're all the same price. So $21.20 for those 10 packs of microfiber towels. They have a whole bunch of different things that are on Prime right now. Let's see what else that they got. Let's look at wash mitts. The Rag Company's got the Cyclone Ultra Wash mitts, and they're going for $21.98 for a 2-pack, and it's a one-time purchase. It's 27% off. If you're looking for a wash mitt to kind of like complete your detailing package, to kind of elevate your game, these 2 wash mitts you won't go wrong with. They're very high quality. I've purchased them before. It's an Amazon choice. It's the Rag Company, $21.98 Prime Day deal, 27% off. Can't go wrong with that. So, all right, so it doesn't look like the efoamer, the IK efoamer is on Prime Days, but it is selling for $120, $129.99. So it's not a bad deal at this moment. It's selling through Adams. So maybe Adams, if you kind of just double check day to day to see if they have any sales going on, you know, you could probably take advantage of it. I have the efoamer. It came in super handy at the concourse, and I definitely highly recommend it. For $129.99, I definitely recommend the efoamer. So I would go ahead and order that also. There is one more product that I want to identify, I want to actually tell you guys about. It's something that I reviewed. It's the Etenwolf tire inflator. It's the Vortex S6. And that air compressor is for a heavy duty vehicle. It's cordless. It inflates everything, you know, bikes, balls, trucks, SUVs, all that kind of stuff. And it's selling for $104.47. It's 35% off from the moment that I reviewed it. So you're saving a tremendous amount of money. You're saving about $50 on this portable pump. So I would definitely recommend getting this pump. It comes with the charger, it comes with a bag, comes with it. As a matter of fact, I used it today because I had a flat tire on my lawnmower and I used it to pump it up. So I definitely highly recommend getting this. It's called the Etenwolf Vortex S6 tire inflator. So I hope that was helpful. Take advantage of the Prime Day deals that you have for the next 4 days, the 23rd through the 26th. You know, check out those links, kind of review everything that they have and find out what you can get dirt cheap. See you on the next one. Peace.